Pause for a moment, because what I'm about to share could completely shift the way women experience you. Imagine if just one sentence, only one, could make her pulse quicken, stay in her thoughts for days, and instantly set you apart from every other man she's met. It sounds unbelievable, but most men never realize this truth. It's not about looks, money, or status. None of those are the real game changers. What truly matters is how you make her feel through your words. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. Welcome to Dita, where we explore the deeper side of attraction, connection, and what genuinely moves a woman emotionally. There's one skill that most men ignore completely, yet it has the power to transform how a woman sees you. The ability to give compliments that actually mean something and stay with her long after the moment passes. Think about it honestly. If you had the chance to say one sentence she would remember for years, would you waste it on something ordinary like "you're hot" or "nice dress"? That's what most men do, and that's exactly why they're forgettable. But you're here because you want to be different. Real attraction doesn't come from shallow words. It's built on emotional depth. The real power lies in a compliment that's intentional, thoughtful, and delivered with presence. When done right, it creates a feeling she can't easily explain, but she won't forget it. You've probably seen it happen before. A man says something, and suddenly her entire energy shifts. Her posture changes, her eyes soften, and her focus locks onto him. That's not coincidence. That's psychology in action. What I'm about to share with you goes far beyond typical compliments. These are not cheesy lines or rehearsed phrases. These are emotionally intelligent statements that make her feel noticed, valued, and understood on a deeper level. They connect with something inside her that most men never reach. Here's the reality. If you keep using basic, surface-level compliments, you'll always blend in with everyone else. But when you speak with purpose, when you understand the power of presence, and when you choose your words carefully, you become someone she remembers. So if you're ready to stand out, create genuine attraction, and leave a lasting impression that lingers in her mind, stay with me. This is where you start becoming the man she naturally feels drawn to, without even knowing why. Let's get into something powerful. The first compliment is simple, but unforgettable when said the right way. The scent you're wearing? It's kind of addictive. This isn't really about perfume. It taps into something deeper. Scent is strongly connected to emotion, memory, even desire. When you notice it, you're showing that you're present, aware, and paying attention to the small details most people miss. Say it in a calm, grounded way, not overly excited. What happens is she won't just remember what you said, she'll connect that feeling to you every time she smells it again. The second one goes like this. Your smile has a way of lighting up the whole room. This goes beyond looks. It's about the effect she has on the environment around her. A woman whose smile can shift the energy of a space carries something rare. When you point that out, you're showing emotional awareness. You're not just seeing her, you're feeling her presence. And when a man speaks less, but chooses his words carefully, it always hits deeper. The third compliment is where things start to feel more personal. Tell her you appreciate how real she is, how she doesn't try to fit in. In a world where people hide behind filters and fake personas, authenticity stands out in a powerful way. This isn't about her appearance anymore, it's about who she is at her core. When she feels accepted for her true self, the connection becomes much stronger because being real is something people crave, but rarely feel safe enough to show. The fourth one takes you into even rarer territory. Tell her you love the way she thinks, that her perspective is different and it makes you see things in a new way. Most men focus only on looks, but when you appreciate her mind, you separate yourself instantly. You're telling her that her thoughts matter, that she actually influences how you see the world.
That kind of recognition changes the dynamic completely.
Now you're not just trying to impress her, you're genuinely interested in who she is, and that curiosity is magnetic. The fifth compliment focuses on something people feel but rarely hear. Tell her you love her energy and that it pushes you to become better. Energy is powerful. Some people drain you, others lift you up. When you recognize that she brings something positive into your space, you're acknowledging her impact on your life. That goes deeper than attraction. That shows respect, and respect is what builds real connection. The sixth one is about character. Let her know she's one of the most thoughtful people you've met, and that it shows. In a world where a lot of interactions feel shallow and kindness can be fake, genuine thoughtfulness stands out. When you notice that, you're seeing beyond the surface. You're recognizing her effort, her heart, the way she treats people.
This kind of compliment doesn't just make her happy, it makes her feel truly understood.
The seventh compliment highlights ambition. Tell her you admire how driven she is and that her sense of purpose is inspiring. Being ambitious is attractive, but very few people actually acknowledge it. When you do, you're showing that you value more than just how she looks. You're recognizing her direction, her discipline, and the person she's becoming. That creates a deeper and more meaningful bond. The eighth one might be the most powerful of all. Tell her she has a natural way of making people feel comfortable, like they matter. Very few people have that ability. When someone can make others feel seen, safe, and valued, it says a lot about their emotional intelligence. By pointing it out, you're showing that you understand something deeper about her, something most people overlook. And that hits on a level she won't forget. So there you have it, 8 compliments that go far beyond surface-level words. These aren't just things you say. They create emotion, they build connection, and they leave a lasting impression. At the end of the day, she might forget the exact sentence, but she will always remember how you made her feel. Start becoming more aware. Slow down when you speak. Choose your words with intention and actually mean them. Because when you do that, you're not just having conversations anymore, you're creating impact. If you're serious about improving your mindset, confidence, and the way you connect with women, stay connected with me. And right now, take a second and drop the word "seen" in the comments if this shifted your perspective, because that one word shows you understand something most men never will. I'll see you in the next one. Before you go, just a quick note. Some parts of this content may be supported by advanced AI tools during research or production, but every idea and message is carefully designed to help you better understand attraction, relationships, and emotional dynamics on a deeper level. This is for learning and growth, not professional advice. If you're committed to doing this the right way, stay within. Keep building your understanding step by step,